14th of January 2024. It is around 9:17 a.m. in the morning. All right. So this is recorded. So later I will upload it in our group as well. So first of all, let's start with what we have for the for today and tomorrow. So uh, I said, this week we do not have so much big announcement. Rather, they only have some data releases. All right, because I would like to bring your attention again. Next week, right, we have more announcement. We have a BOJ, we have a Canadian dollar, so and of course European as well. So next week is going to be a bigger fish in my opinion. So that's why I've been saying this week, just be careful a little bit. All right, the bigger move will come in next week. So rest of this week, Thursday and Friday, these are the item. I will say the main two things that pop out here is that, of course, tonight we have an unemployment claim, and we have this the consumer sentiment. Okay, I think going forward, yeah, an employment claim might spike up. Okay, because as you notice, as you start to hear, a lot of American companies are starting to let go of the people. So I think they will definitely surely have a ripple effect. All right. So I think the employment might going to climb. I think more and more steeper in the near future. This is something that we need to take a look, because an employment rate is um a very big impact item in the actually the economy. All right. If the employment rate go up, then I think all the hell will start to break loose. Okay. So if employment go up, the home delinquency will be go up as well. Then the home price will come down. This kind of stuff. Home price come down, economy is bad. All the ripple effect will happen. So yeah, that might be we might be starting to see something jittery in the market already. Okay, so this is something that we need to take a look at. I would like to bring attention on our this market flow data itself. You can see the flow have been pretty strong in the recent day, but the market start to slowing down a little bit here already. So that might be the start. All right, of course that might be a start. If let's say the flow start to take a dive, that means whatever we are seeing right now, I think will have some impact. Okay, last night I mentioned that market didn't have enough bearishness to go lower. So you see, it's turned out to be true. You see, market go down, but it recovers sort of. So I think the market is now queuing for a next trigger. So if let's say this flow keep on going down lower, so I think sooner or later they will start to follow as well. Okay, so in terms of the flow, there's some warning already. There's some warning already. So this on the flow. Okay, another one that I would like to look at is, okay, look a little bit on the crypto. Okay, crypto, you see this is a little bit crazy. You see the market cap is keep on going higher. So what my thing is that if the crypto market cap keep on going higher, it might mean the crypto market may keep on going higher as well. But of course, if there is no underlying underneath, sooner or later they will have a problem. That means, the real money $1 and the this stable coin $1 may decouple in the near future. But I think see how much discrepancy can go on first. So as of right now, crypto market is not so super bearish just yet, because you can see the the so-called the money are being printed, or I would rather say in crypto is minted, right? Minted. They have been keep on minting the stable coin. All right. So which is I think unless they have $1 to back on, the real $1 to back on, I think this can be unsustainable as well. So just to summarize on crypto market a little bit, I think they might be stay bullish for right now, since that they are quite pumping. So we cannot be so bearish on crypto market yet for now. Okay, so let's go to British pound. So as you can see, British pound, on the left is our CFD, on the right is our future market. All right. So what is happening right now is that British pound, we have, I think almost all the pairs are roughly the same. Hey guys, can you hear me? You can, right? Almost all the pairs are the same. You can see there's something really goes on in here. It's in the middle of 18th of December. I think I've been telling for the past few weeks. So this is the level that market will be supported per se. So market go back to this region, that this region, the market been rebounded. So I will say that market is kind of like being supported already. Look at the yesterday candle; it is not bad. So market is being refused in this zone here with between 1.2, sorry, between 1.26, this kind of region. So I would say the rebound is a little bit maybe like a little bit strong. I think they may go back to this kind of 1.27, this kind of region, in my opinion. So I think what will likely to happen is that instead of buying, I think it might be better to wait for a potentially short at the moment. Okay. Or if you really want to buy now, all right, what you can do is you can look for a buy, but um, you can look for a buy, but be very quick, please. Okay, you maybe it's come to like 1.277, 2725. All right, this kind of region, we better be, we better be running away quick, in my opinion. So I think this is a kind of data that are possible to happen. Okay, this is the, look at this congested zone. I don't think market were easily able to break up this level, in my opinion. Okay, they may drift up a little bit, but so now they will get shorted back down. Okay. So let's take a look on the retail trader point of view. Retail traders are minus 58. So basically they were previously minus 62, minus 52, minus 58. So retail traders actually they are not really doing anything much. So for now, no comment on the retail trader yet. So I think I will be I mean immediate term I'll be slightly bullish, but I don't think it's gonna last for a long time. All right. So if you want to be, if you are a bit adventurous, you can go and long. But once it come to this region, you got to very carefully monitor because they can come back down from there. Okay, 1.275 is a very logical place. All right. So next one, euro. Okay, euro. Okay, so always remember, guys, okay, if you want to buy, I think that would be a good so-called good rules per se. If you want to buy, wait the bearish candle to appear and bullish candle to appear, then you buy. If you want to sell, wait for the bullish candle to appear, then bearish candle to appear, then you buy. So you need this kind of, it's better to have this kind of two combination. All right. So for example, okay, why I say so? Because sometimes, if you have a market very big sell, it is, I mean, normal that you really want to sell it, but you are being pressured, or market is going down, I want to sell. Then once you sell, what happened? There will be a quite a high chance that market rebound up, and that was a bottom of it. Have it ever happened to you before? So I think a little bit waiting I think is good. Okay, so I would rather recommend if you want to buy and if you want to sell, do this way will be the better one. All right. So now take a look on the euro. Okay, euro also same thing here. They have a good bounce, right? They got a push up. Then after that, they created the sort of like a swing level. All right, then they make people buy. Then after that, they just swing big down to the stop or the eat up or the stop. So what happened after they eat stop? What happened? There are a lot of people coming in and sell the price, right? So after sell, what happened now is market is rebounding. So my thinking, like I said, if you want to sell, what should you do? You should wait for if you want to sell, you should wait for a bullish candle to appear. After that, bearish candle starting to appear first. So I think it is better for you to wait around this region to short it down, in my opinion. That will give you a very high risk and reward, right? Because you wait it out, so your entry and the stop loss can be quite tight, and your TP can be quite wide. So this is how you make more money than you risk, right? So patience is a very good tools for a trader. Okay, as of right now, they are plus 71. So you see plus 71, it mean what? That mean as the market go lower, the retail trader keep on adding their long position. So they are plus 71, so they are almost near to the can say extreme case scenario. So I think market might be rebound a little bit as a result, in my opinion. I think this is what is gonna happen. Okay, I think this is what is going to happen, in my opinion. All right, so I will wait it out a little bit. All right, wait it out a little bit. So currently I'm slightly bullish on neutral, immediate term, but I will wait out at the higher level for a potential short. Which level? 1.095. Are we clear on this, gentlemen? So the market is overall is getting bearish. It's just that we wait for a good entry only. You got my point? All right. So next one. Aussie. Okay. Aussie, this whole week I have been bearish. Okay. If you look back my weekly plan, all right, I was saying that this is my KIV. I'm expecting market to go lower, and it is really turned out to be a good one. Really go lower. So where are we right now? We are, in terms of retail trader, they are plus 92. Plus 92 is a very extreme already. What does it mean? It means retail trader have been buying, right? They are plus 50. Example, plus 50, plus 60, go lower, plus 70. Now we are plus 90 already. So what the retail trader are doing is that retail traders are consist of all the new and experienced traders. So normally what they do, every time they are wrong, they double down their position. That means they are always fighting the market. All right, regardless up or down. For this case, down, right, they are fighting the market by going more and more long. Okay, that means they were plus 50. Instead, they should reduce and they should go and short, isn't it? But instead of shorting, they keep on adding their long position until where we are right now is plus 72%. So this is totally crazy. I think sooner or later the retail trader will get stop out. So how do we know they got stop out? Okay, of course, these numbers will start to drop. Now they're plus 92, right? So maybe the next day will be maybe 90, maybe will be 80, this kind of stuff. So I think since the number is too extreme, I think the rebound might be very highly possible. Okay, very highly possible. So I'm expecting market to go back up, at least just a rebound in my opinion. So what a trader should do, of course, we wait from the higher level to short it down again. So this projection already came through. So I'm gonna take it away. I'm gonna take it away. Then the then the market will likely to rebound up here. I think I use this one better. Hang on. Market will likely rebound up here. All right, this level. All right, then they were likely to go this kind of stuff, in my opinion. All right, so same thing. Wait, either you buy now and watch closely and take profit whenever you possible, or wait at the higher level if you want to be more, if you want to go with the major trend. So major trend is going to go down. I think you just need to wait a little bit. Now it's a bit extreme, so not really advisable to sell right now. Okay, okay, you got my point. Okay, so Aussie, this is the thing. I think the market is going to go down further in the near future. So stay on the downside, wait and sell. Okay, so New Zealand. New Zealand also should be the more or less the same. Okay, more or less the same. New Zealand, you see they have already poked this level already. So I think what's gonna happen is that market will do a little bit of rebound, and after that they were going to go down a lot lower. All right, so same thing, I'm expecting market will do something like this. All right, so whether what I said will come true or not, you can see here market going to go down, market go down, right? So I'm thinking now what might happen is that they were likely to go this way and they're going to go this, in my opinion. So look at the retail trader. Retail trader also plus 70, plus 72, plus 87%. So same thing, they are quite extreme already. So I think we sit outside for a while, wait for the higher level for us to sell it down. So my approach will be wait and sell. Okay, wait and sell, wait and sell. Okay, but buying not really so advisable. Okay, so let's take a look on the gold and silver. Okay, everybody okay so far? I suppose so, right? Yesterday, we just closed our US dollar CHF with a decent profit. Okay, I hope you follow. Okay, so Canadian dollars. Sorry, I skipped. So go first, huh? Okay, gold is I think I've been saying that as well. All right, gold, there was a very big sell, right? Then after that, market just retest a little bit with a low, like a low volume. Then after that, they just keep on selling. I think this guy will keep on selling for a time being, in my opinion. Okay, so I would say it's like 90 kind of level. I think market will likely to go lower. All right, so this projection stay in play. All right, I think market will likely to go down in my opinion. So gold is also quite bearish at the moment, gentlemen. Don't buy for now. Okay, so this week we have been pretty much bearish on I mean anything except US dollar. So it turned out to be quite true, right? All right, silver. Silver also see whether it's same or not. Silver the same. I projected market were to go lower. I think it's already went lower already. So it's at least we don't really buy at all. I think silver are likely to go lower as well. So let's see. And okay, silver is quite similar like a Aussie. Their retail trader number is plus 83. So what might happen is that we might experience some minor rebound along the way. So I think the nice one will be wait and sell will be the better choice because market may not break immediately lower, you see. Okay, and I don't want to suffer like an unnecessary drawdown. So what you should do is that you come back again every day, all right? Let the market rebound a little bit as high as possible. Then wait for a bullish candle and bearish candle, then you look for a sell. Okay, so I think it will test our patience. So this line is already came through already. I'm going to take it away. I'm going to take it away. Okay, so going forward, going forward, I think what's going to happen is that I think what's going to happen is something like this. Okay, so I'm expecting market to go a lot lower in my opinion. All right. So it's also bearish at the moment per se. Wait and sell. Wait and sell. Wait and sell. Wait at the higher ground to sell it. Okay, another one is US dollar Canadian. Okay, I foresee the Canadian economy is going to be very bad right now. Okay, very bad right now, and it's going to get worse actually. All right, because they have been building up all the problem, and they have been avoiding all the problem as well. So that means instead of addressing them, they are making it even worse. So by the time they are no longer at the point of no return now, I think the implosion of the Canadian economy will be much bigger than it should have been. All right, so you see, I also say that this guy is going to go up, and it also go up, right? You can see the arrow is already come through already, so I'm going to take it away. So I think what's going to happen is market will drift a little bit sideways before they continue on the up move, in my opinion. Okay, they have every reason to be drift also because we are already at the congested zone, so maybe they will drift lower than before they go back up again. So same thing for this guy is wait and buy will be the better choice. All right. So I would say possibly this thing. Okay, so this is a bullish analysis. So I'm gonna make the color to be bullish, blue color. So at a glance you can see already. All right. So this guy, I think this is what I'm expecting. Okay, another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, US dollar CHF yesterday we took a profit out of it already. We were long from this region. All right, we are long from this region. All right, we are long from this region. So I think about 1 week is our 1 week trade and turn out to be it's around 130 points gain. All right, so which is okay. I would say not bad. And I was seeing the market was start to jittery here, so I took somewhere around. I think my take profit was somewhere around 0.865. So we sort of like we get out at the top per se. So I think going forward, what's gonna happen is the same thing. Markets maybe drift down a little bit lower. I think sooner or later they're gonna retest here, in my opinion. So I'm not going for a short. Instead, I will just wait out for another so-called another entry, long entry only. All right. And you can see here, drift here, blocking here. So I think what's gonna happen is they might go to here as a retest. So as the Swiss franc go down lower, what will happen? Of course, the US dollar Swiss franc will climb. So I think for the medium term, I'm bullish on US dollar Swiss franc. It's just that I will wait for another entry for the long side. So it's bullish, gentlemen, overall. Okay. So wait and buy. So for both of them, wait and buy. If you remember, as our weekly plan, US dollar CHF is, of course, our recommended pair, which turned out to be a very profitable trade. And US dollar Canadian also is our KIV. So So far, Aussie KIV on the short side, it come through. US dollar KIV on the long side, it also came through. And US dollar CHF on the buy side also came through. All right. So this week is okay. Our projection is, as per what we planned. Okay, go on there, US dollar JPY. Okay, US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY is already come to this rangy region already. So you can see our projection already came through. All right. Currently, their retail percentage is plus 85. Plus 85 means same thing, right? The more they go up higher, sorry, minus 85. So let me read again. The more they go up higher, instead of selling, what the retail trader doing? Sorry, instead of like buying, right? Okay, let me rephrase. So the more the market go up higher, what the retail traders should do? Of course, they should join the trend, right? So what is the trend? Buy position, right? Going up, buy position. But instead of buying, what they do? They keep on selling minus 60, minus 70. Now where we are right now, they are now minus 80. So they are under the very big stress and very big major drawdown. They are losing big actually. All right. So what's gonna happen? So of course, since they are near to plus a minus 89, so I think they are going to run away with the loss. So the moment they run away, the market will start to come back down. So I think that might be the case soon. So US dollar JPY, I will stay bullish, but I think I will wait for another run up in my opinion. All right. So this will be the plan that I will be working on. I think I will wait for another run up that I would like to look at. Okay. So this is what it is. Okay, so US dollar JPY, I will say is a bullish case scenario will be the better choice. Okay. All right. Another one is the US market. US market. US market have some minor crack showing up already. All right. So like I said just now, the money flow we need to look at carefully. So what is happening right now is that they are really at the high congested zone. You look at the high color, right? So I think what's gonna happen is they're gonna drift around lower, but the moment they break strong again, I think they're gonna go lower. So we are in the very careful position. But I think the flow is not so down yet, so we need to see. So I will be slightly bearish for now for this guy. All right, slightly bearish. I will be monitoring very closely. So today I don't have so much of the recommendation yet, because I think the big move I've already made, and there's market might be due for some minor rebound in whatever trend that they are making on. Example, like Aussie US dollar, it have been dropped so much, right? I think they may rebound a little bit first. So we are in that stage. Okay. So continue. Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong is in the capitulation stage. You can see market has really dropped lower. So let's see how it's go. All right. So Hong Kong as of right now is very bearish. Same thing. If you want to short, uh, don't short on the bearish candle. If you want to short, what you should wait is that wait for the price action to be bullish first, then the start bearish candle, then you short. You shouldn't short in the continuous bearish candle. All right. This is not really so nice in my opinion, because the chance of market rebound is there already. Okay. So I think if you look at the scenario one and scenario two, I would recommend scenario one. Okay. So just be careful with the short a little bit. Okay. So let's see how it's go. All right. So should you long or not? Of course not. Long, what you should do, you should wait for a bearish candle, then bullish candle, right? So currently this bullish candle is not here, so you shouldn't long as well. I think market may drift a little bit lower for now. Let's see how it's go. All right, so I'm slightly bearish. Okay, another one, DAX, gentlemen. DAX should follow the bigger brother Dow Jones. I think we have yesterday we have a drop, and they kind of like come back up. They kind of like make some pin ready, in my opinion. Same thing. Should you long or not? What do you think? What is the long criteria, gentlemen? Simple one. What do you think? Should you long or not? In order for the long to be sort of like a confirm, we need to wait a bearish candle, and we need to have some sort of bullish looking candle to show that the price is being so-called, rejected further downside. All right. So if you look into the two part, we need a bearish candle and we need a bullish looking candle. So this is a part number one, this is a part number two. So as of right now, we have part number one ready, but we do not have part number two. So we shouldn't be, we shouldn't be longing at all. All right. So let's see how it's go. Maybe market may go lower. All right, but let's see. Anyway, my projection of this is already came through, so I'm going to take it away. So a little bit of free flow for now, free for all rather, right? So anything that happen, I'm slightly further bearish on this one. Look at the yesterday candle is very bearish. So I think the bear stay have an upper hand here. Okay, another one is I price. Okay, oil price, I have been not bearish for the past video. If you remember, I've been saying oil is the energy rather. Energy is one of the resilient one. Look at the yesterday candle. I am pretty impressed actually, right? You look at the pin bar, this kind of stuff. So this is the kind of bullish looking trigger, right? Like I said, if you are looking for a long, what you should do, you should have a bearish candle first, then another one is bullish candle second. So we have this now, correct? So I will be a little bit recommending on this kind. So this will be my KIB for today. All right. So I'm slightly bullish on this. This is my first KIB for today. I think this guy might have some chance of it going up. Okay. So this is my KIB for today. All right. Another one is of course corner week lah. So let's take a look on the week. All right. I have a week long, the small one. I have been stopped out already. All right, because of I was expecting market will really rebound, and it didn't go in my favor. So okay, get out lah. What to do, right? So what they have done is take away. So what they have done is that they going back to this level as a conjunction. So I will monitor a little bit. Let's see how it's go. Let more of bottoming ongoing first. So I will wait. So it's more of a neutral tone. All right. I will not cover so much on the soft commodity yet, or grain rather. This is called grain. This category is called grain. I will rather wait out for one more week at least minimum. All right. Another one is BTC, gentlemen. Okay, BTC. This candle was a very big candle. All right. Then market is actually what is happening right now is that they have a one big volume here and one big volume here. So I think BTC is pretty much in the sort of like in the um, taking profit mode. All right. So I thinking after the ETF, I think the market will likely to drift a little bit lower in my opinion. Just keep in mind, just now I also mentioned that they have been keep on pumping the stable coin, right? You can see they have been keep on pumping the stable coin that will absorb some downward pressure. Okay, so I don't really think that BTC will drop a lot for now. All right. I will become more bearish if this guy also start to drop. Okay, so they have I would say there's a one factor that we are looking at is pointing a little bit toward further bullishness. So they kind of contradict each other. So I would say they will drop also just to to stop hunting this kind of stuff in my opinion. So I will keep this projection. I think it will go back to 40.6, 40.7, this kind of key level first. So I'm slightly bearish on BTC. All right. Uh, I will be very likely to, become more and more bearish if this thing drop. You got my point, gentlemen? This is more important, okay? So I'll be watching this day in, day out, week in, week out, okay? Currently, they are very bullish, okay? I think that is the main one that really lift the BTC up, you see? One, the BTC really, this flow really bottom. They really bottom in the October, somewhere in October, all right? Somewhere in October, early October, somewhere in October first. Okay, talk about October first. So let's take a look. What really happened on October? Can you see that? Can you see the coincidence? So this whole flow is driven by this guy. So this guy stays strong. So I think BTC or crypto in general might have some like a further upsize bias in my opinion. All right, so slightly I'll be watching very closely, not strongly bearish because something is lifting this guy up. Okay. All right, the last but not least, we have a natural gas. Okay, next gas. Okay, they just went back down to this strong support level, and you can see, right? The day before was bearish candle, and yesterday was a bullish looking candle. I would say this also kind of good looking one as well, gentlemen. So this will be my second KIV of the bullishness. All right. So if you have I mean, if you're looking for any alpha here, I would say look for potential long of oil price and look for potential long of course natural gas. Of course they are go hand in hand. I mean, you can either choose one or you can either choose both. Of course, if you choose both on the long side, I mean, if one wrong, both are wrong for sure. All right, you must know your risk, because they and these two move in the same direction most of the time. So my point here is that I think the energy might make a comeback here. I think the market might a little bit drift up higher in my opinion. Okay, especially I mean both of them are quite nicely looking in my opinion. All right, especially the crude oil. Okay, maybe you can buy slowly. Then just add is the market go in your favor. All right, guys. Any questions so far? Okay. So summary. For today, I have a two KIV. The first one is crude oil on the potential buy side. Second one is of course is a natural gas on the buy side as well. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. Okay, hang on now.